Okay, so my name is William. Okay, today's video is called "What If the Earth is Flat?" I'm going to be talking about that now. So this is another video about why the Earth would be a disaster if it was flat. Anyway, because I want to show people. Yeah, right here. Save the planet. What would happen if the Earth were actually flat? Okay, and right here, First of all, so it says welcome to the new year. Right now it's 2024, but this is made in 2018 anyway. So the Earth was yet again a revolution about the sun, but not so fast. If you subscribe to the idea of a flat Earth, you believe that no such thing happened because the sun rotates in a circle around the sky. Humans have known for thousands of years that the planet is round, yet to believe in the flat Earth refuses to die. Members of the Flat Earth Society and several celebrities, including Atlanta rapper B.O.B. and NBA player Kyrie Irving, claim that hold believes that that's exam. Then that's how knowing the principles of how science would work or not on a flat Earth. Well, so first of all, gravity fails, right? So first of all, an Pelican plane might not have any gravity, but it's how clear how gravity would work in such a world. And James Davis, geophysicist at Columbia University, Lamont Earth Observatory, that's a pretty ideal, since gravity would wide-range earthly cosmic observations, the same as measurable force in an apple to fall from a tree and causes the moon to orbit the Earth and the planets to orbit the sun. First of all, I do believe gravity would work on a flat Earth. Yeah, the point is that flat earthers don't even believe in gravity, but my answer is this. I do believe gravity will work on a flat Earth. How? Well, I'll show you. I'll tell you right now. Well, let's read this to find out, okay? People who believe in the flat Earth assume that gravity would pull straight down, but there's no evidence to suggest that it would work that way. You know that gravity suggests it would pull toward the center of the disk. That means it will only pull straight down at one point on the center of the disk. Increasingly far from the center, gravity tugging more and more horizontally. This would have some more straight impacts, like sucking all the water toward the center of the world and making the trees grow diagonally, since they develop the opposite direction of gravity's pull. Okay, now solar problems. Okay, so that's another problem. Then there's the sun. The scientifically supported the model of the solar system. The Earth revolves around the sun because the latter is much more massive and has more gravity. However, the Earth doesn't fall into the sun because it is traveling in orbit. In other words, the sun's gravity is acting alone. The planet is also traveling in a direction particular to Earth's gravitational tug. If it were possible to switch off the gravity, then the Earth will shoot away in a straight line until over the solar system. Instead of the linear momentum of the sun's gravity combined, resulting in a circular orbit around the sun. The flat Earth model places the planet at the center of the universe, but it doesn't suggest the sun orbits the Earth. Rather than the sun circles the top side of the world like a carousel, broadcasting light and the warmth downward of the desk lamp. Without a linear particular moment of healthy linear orbit, it's unclear what force to keep the sun hovering above the Earth, even instead of crashing into it. Okay, and it says, likewise, a flat world satellites likely won't be possible, and they will orbit a plane, and there are a number of the satellite missions depend on that won't work. David says, for this reason, I cannot have how GPS would work on a flat Earth. If the sun and moon would just loop around on one side of the flat Earth, it could possibly be a session of days and nights. It would explain seasons, eclipses, and many other phenomena. The sun would presumably have to be smaller than the Earth so as not to burn or bump into our planet or on the moon. However, we know the sun to be 100 times the diameter of the Earth. Now, removing heaven and Earth, deep below ground, the solid core that generates the planet's magnetic field. But in a flat planet, it would have been replaced by something else, perhaps a flat sheet of liquid metal. However, it won't rotate in the way it creates a magnetic field. Without a magnetic field, the charged particles will fry the planet, and they could strip away the atmosphere, and they, as they did after Mars lost its magnetic field, and then the air of oceans would escape into space. The tectonic plate movement and necessity depend on a round Earth, because only a sphere do all the plates fit together in a sensible way. Davis says the movements of plates of one side of the Earth affect movements on the other. On the areas on the Earth that create crust, like a mid-Atlantic ridge, are counterbalanced by places and consume crust, like subduction zones. On a flat Earth, none that could be equitably explained. There would be explanation for what happens on the plates at the edge of the world. One could image and they might fall off, or they could principally jeopardize the proposed that prevents people from falling off the disc-shaped world. Alright, now how some matters map out the planet. The Arctic is at the center, and the ice wall on the edges that prevents people from falling off. Well, yeah, that would be Antarctica. So there, yeah, I know. So flat Earthers are making Antarctica the ice wall. Okay, perhaps one of the glaring oddities of the proposal of the flat Earth is totally different. It places the Arctic at the center, while Antarctica forms an ice wall around the edges. In such a world, travel would look very different. Flying from Australia and start points from Antarctica would, for example, take forever. You have to travel over the Arctic and both Americas to get there. In addition, certain feats such as traveling across Antarctica, which we've done many times, would be impossible. Now, falling flat. Contrary to popular belief, the misconception of the series indicate people have actually believed in the flat Earth theory. And extraordinarily few exceptions of the person of the Western organization. In the 3rd century BC, the word that the Earth was flat, historian Barbarossa noted in 1997, the round appears in the early 6th century BC, with Pythagoras, who followed Euclid and Asturias and others, and observing that the Earth was a sphere. As a scientist and writer, J. Goodwatts wrote, the idea of many people, including the Spaniards and Christopher Columbus, believed that the Earth to be flat was largely concocted by the 19th century, and writers such as Washington Irving, Ladron, and others. Ladron was an academic and strong and anti-religious who gravely drew upon the misrepresent. The Church Fathers and their medieval successors believing in the flat Earth. Russell noted, in any case, while it's fun to image contradictory scenarios, science by coming up with theories explain observations. When it comes to these theories, Sir Baber Davis says the flat Earth idea, however, It begins with the idea of the planet is planar and the attempts of the twist of the observation of its benefit. You can find explanations for an individual photon under this framework, says Davis, but it falls apart very quickly. So, well, another thing will happen if the Earth is flat, because the flat Earth will tell you they believe that they believe that the firmament is a force field dome, which I don't believe anyway. But if that's true, then the birds won't be able to fly in the firmament. Yeah, because the Bible teaches that the firmament is where the birds fly, and the KJV uses the word fowl, and the word fowl means bird. Okay? So first of all, here's my answer for you guys, okay? Why would God be stupid enough to make the earth flat? Okay? And why would God be stupid enough to make the firmament a force field dome? Where and birds, because the birds won't be able to fly that way. This is stupid, guys, okay? I'm not interested in the flat earth, okay? And it needs to go, and I'm just trying to, okay? And please, okay? Now, I'm chasing you stupid flat, I'm chasing you flat earthers. Leave me alone, okay? I don't want your flat earth religion, okay? I'm going to say this to your stupid flat earth. Okay? You know what? Here's my answer for you. To your stupid flat earth. Okay? You know what? Goodbye. Okay? Adios. And, Zai-chan to your stupid flat earth. Because it's just because I don't want it, okay? It's a religion that I'm not interested in, okay? It's just the flat earth is dumb, okay? And it's not as dumb as evolution, but it's still dumb, okay? I don't want to be it, okay? And to me, I'm glad that the earth is a sphere. Okay, to me, I'm happy that God made the earth a sphere. Okay? And and gravity where we hold us onto the bottom and stuff, okay? So guys, I tried to do what I can to look. I believe the Bible, okay? And the Bible teaches a spherical earth that is young, about 7,000 years old. So I believe in a young spherical earth, okay? And I have my globe right here, okay? To show you how spherical the earth is and where all the countries are on this globe, or all the countries on the earth on this globe. So So, my answer is this. Okay? And my answer for you, Bible believing Christians, okay? Make your own videos, okay? Because we need more people to expose this flat earth theory, because it's stupid, it's crap, it needs to go away, okay? I don't like it. Okay, you know, because it's dumb. It's not a good religion to believe in, you know. Yes, I hate the flat earth just like I hate evolution, and also just like I hate the flat earth just like I know just like I hate evolution, and I also another thing I hate is the Chinese government. Yeah, I hate I hate those three things. Okay, including this flat earth theory. I hate the flat earth theory, and it has to go away. Okay, I believe in a young spherical earth. An earth that is a young earth that is about 7,000 years old, for animals that produce their own kind. Right? Yeah, I know. Yes. So yes, the flat earth theory is false, just like evolution is false. Okay? The Bible teaches that the earth is a sphere and it's young, about 7,000 years old, and that's what I believe, according to the Bible. And I read the KJV Bible. Okay? That's what I read. Because I'm King James only. You know. And I teach that the Bible teaches that the firmament is the atmosphere, because the Bible teaches that the firmament is open. That's why. And the Bible teaches that hell is in the core of the earth. Well, I mean, the Bible teaches that hell is in the heart of the earth, which is the core of the earth, anyway. So, that's why. Okay, so that's it. So, for my video, okay? And the reason why I put the point of flat earth theory is to damn souls to hell is because it's getting people to reject Jesus Christ. That's why. Okay? And most people are not going to believe this, okay? Because we all know that the earth is because most people know that earth is a sphere, okay? And in the Bible, and plus the Bible teaches that the earth is a sphere. Okay, so to me, okay, these what I teach. The spherical Earth is because that's what the Bible teaches. Okay, and the Bible does teach a spherical Earth, not a flat Earth. Okay. And the way to go to heaven is to believe on Lord Jesus Christ. Salvation is by faith alone and grace on Jesus Christ alone. And once saved, always saved by easy beliefs in the truth. Meaning you can't lose your salvation. By easy beliefs that salvation easy to do is believe in Jesus Christ for salvation. Now, so I'm done with my what if the earth is flat video. My other what if I want to show you. It's in 2025. I will show you. Right here. So my other what if scenario will be in 2025. You know, next year. Okay? And my other what if scenario is what if China becomes a democratic country? Okay, and the reason I'll be talking about that on my what if scenario, on my as my next what if scenario, is because right now China is a dictatorship country, and I would like to know. I like to read it and what I think, what people think, and also what I think will happen if it becomes a democratic country. You know, there'll be I'll find you know you might find out that's what I'll talk about in the year of 2025, which is next year. But anyway, so my next video is called "What does the Bible say about the canopy theory?" Well, I'll talk about that next video. Okay. So my answer is for you. Okay. You either learn about the spherical Earth, okay, and if you want to look, guys, if you want to believe in the flat Earth, go ahead and believe it, okay. But don't try to get me to believe it, because I don't want to believe it, okay? It's stupid. It's dumb. I'm not interested in it, in the flat Earth, because it's stupid, okay? And to me, I believe it has to go away. Okay? You know, I let you believe what you want to believe, so let me believe where I want to believe. Okay? I live in a free country, this is the United States of America, okay? And that's, you know, and the United States of America is a free country. Not a dictatorship country like China, okay? So, that's my message to you, you stupid flat earthers. Go away, and you know, and go to someone else who wants to believe in your stupid flat Earth, because I don't. Okay, I brought up believing in a spherical Earth. Okay, because that's what the Bible teaches. Okay, and I preach. And I'm KJV only, and I teach that the earth is young. You know, I teach that, and I teach a young spherical earth, and that's what I believe, and that's what I'm trying to teach, okay? And I'll talk about the canopy theory next video, okay? Because I have to go right now. And I hope you guys can make a video. I hope you guys can make your own YouTube videos against the flat Earth too, because we need more people preaching against this stupid theory. Anyway, I have to go right now. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.